Hey guys, okay, so we are still on the 3rd floor. We haven't even gone to the 4th yet. Remember, there are 3 floors here, right? So, but here I'm at the section where they are selling ASUS monitors. Okay, now just to give you an idea, ASUS basically has 3 levels in terms of their branding. So you've got your mainstream ASUS series monitors, you have the ASUS TUF Gaming monitors, and then your usual like ROG monitors like this one, where you get the ROG brand, alright? Now, some of the monitors here that are really cool, like if you remember, I recently did a review of the Prism Plus X490. So ASUS has their own equivalent, so it's this one over here. This one is the XG49VQ, alright? So it's the same resolution as the Prism Plus, everything's the same. And yeah, well, with ASUS it's more expensive. Even on promo it's 1499, but that's okay. But that's not the reason why I'm here. So the reason I'm here is really about this monitor, alright? So this is a brand new series of monitors released by ASUS. Now, what's really cool about this is that it has a technology called ELMB, or Extreme Low Motion Blur. Now, why is this important? Because if some of you are familiar with ELMB, it's not actually that new, but previously, before FreeSync or variable refresh rate became a thing, people use ELMB. They use ELMB, so what it would do is, okay, I'm going to try and not get too technical here, but usually in normal LED backlights, the reason why you get motion blur is that your backlight is always on, alright? So when your pixels change colors, it creates that sort of, oh man, well, yeah, you're gonna get noise here. But anyway, so with the LED backlight, it stays on, and your pixel colors, when they change color, while the light is on, sometimes it causes motion blur. But what ELMB does, it actually creates a strobing effect, okay? A strobing effect of your LED backlight that reduces that motion blur. So that's a really cool thing. Now, the problem was that ELMB didn't work with variable refresh rate, all right? Now with the new series of ASUS TUF Gaming, they've actually managed to incorporate this sort of ELMB with refresh rate, which is a huge thing. I mean, I haven't had a chance to actually test it out myself, but from what I've heard, it is almost game-changing in terms of how good this monitor is now. All right, and a really cool thing about this is that usually when a monitor brand, or any brand for that matter, introduce something new, they tend to put it in their premium or elite series and then charge a huge amount. Now, their TUF series gaming monitors are usually a rung below the ROG. All right, so that's quite cool of ASUS to do. And the other thing is, it is not ridiculously priced. So we're looking at about $647, all right, which is obviously the Comex promo price. But for an ASUS monitor at that price, I would say it's fantastic. Now, you're looking at a 155 Hz refresh rate, all right, with AMD FreeSync 2, which obviously will be compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync, all right. Resolution, we are looking at QHD, which is 2560 by 1440, and your brightness is at about 400 nits. However, even though it's 400 nits, they are not VESA HDR 400 certified. So if I'm not mistaken, you're looking at HDR10. Yeah, HDR10, all right? But yeah, another cool thing is 155 Hz. And this is a VA panel, all right? Not a TN panel. So you do get good colors and you do get viewing angles. It's not an IPS, but still, VA is still pretty good. If you remember that we also did, or I did a review of a portable monitor. Now, I really hope that we can see that here, but apparently they've got a new model. But yeah, so that's it for here. If you want to come to Comex and check this out, this is on the 3rd floor, right in the middle of the floor, I think. Yeah. So, but yeah, cool. On to the next one.